Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me work from home edition. It feels like forever since I've come on camera and tried out new makeup products and also used some of my old tried and true. I'm going to do my hair first and use this Detox Dry Shampoo by Drybar. It's one of the limited edition ones. And it's vanilla bourbon. My hair looks super greasy today. I actually used a clarifying shampoo on it last night, and I feel like sometimes clarifying shampoos like have the opposite effect on my hair because my hair looks really oily. I do have naturally pretty oily hair and skin though, so that's not really out of the norm for me. But yeah, I want to keep this get ready with me to about 30-35 minutes because I do have work today, so I need to film it pretty quickly. All right, that already looks so much better. I'm going to use some Victoria's Secret XO Victoria perfume. I like to use kind of my less good products, if you will, for work from home since no one is really seeing me face to face. In fact, most days I don't even get ready, but I have a couple of video calls today, so I just want to put a little something on the face. We're going to be going in with the Clinique Stay Matte Oil Free Foundation. I wear the shade 06 Ivory, and there are several things I don't like about this foundation. I'm kind of just trying to use it up. One is this shade is Ivory and it's like really orangey and warm, so it doesn't match my skin the best. It also has the tendency to kind of break up around my nose and T-zone area as the day goes on, so it's definitely like not a foundation I would wear like for a special event, or I don't even really like wearing it whenever I was in the office. But I thought I would come on here and just kind of do a chit chat with you guys and just kind of give some updates about work and mostly chat about that. Look at this little mirror I got, you guys. I got it from the dollar store. I thought it would be perfect for filming these kinds of videos because it's just too far away, and I'm like, I never noticed like how bad my makeup looks until I go back and edit these videos, and then I wonder why, and I'm like, it's because I'm so far away. But as you can see, this goes on pretty nicely. It's just I don't like how it wears throughout the day, and it's just a little bit too orangey in my opinion. I feel like I need another coat of it. But anyway, we found out a couple weeks ago that we are returning to office surprisingly 3 days a week, and surprisingly in September. Most people at our bank were shocked about that. I think a lot of people didn't expect to go back until next year. But it makes sense because a lot of the banks and bigger corporations in my area are going back kind of around the same time. I moved you guys a little closer so that you could see better. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is definitely a really solid dupe for Shape Tape. I feel like it's a little bit more wearable now that it's summer and my skin's not as dry. But again, this is just kind of another one of those products where I purchased it and I really want to use it up. So we're going back in September after Labor Day, and I'm fine with going back in the office. For a while last year, I was really lonely, like in those like winter quarantine months. I wasn't really seeing my friends much. I wasn't really seeing my boyfriend much. He was on like a really hard schedule with his work. And every day just felt like really monotonous and like really boring and lonely. We also had to delay a lot of our audits due to COVID. So right now we're really busy. And the beginning part of the year we weren't. So I like had wanted to be back in the office a lot, but I feel like now I kind of like finally got myself into like a good work from home routine. Like I'm getting ready more during the days. I have like social things to do after work, and I'm like a very routine oriented person, so it was really hard for me to transition like into remote work. And I feel like it's also going to be hard to transition back into the office, but not because I don't want to go back, because I do want to see my work friends. And like I love being in the city. I love being able to like walk and go get coffee, or like try new places for lunch or happy hours. I just think it's going to be hard to get back into that schedule again. And I know a lot of people feel that way too. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder. Gotta shake it up because I'm nearing the end of it. I've been noticing that so many places are out of so many things. Like I couldn't find this setting powder at Target the last time I went. The time before that I couldn't find my Neutrogena Hyaluronic face wash, so then I had to order it online at Ulta. And then my favorite Way shampoo is like sold out literally everywhere. I like the Way shampoo for fine hair, and it's sold out like on Amazon, Ulta, and Sephora. So that's fun. I need to move my brushes over here. For so many years, I used pressed powder, and I feel like that made me so much oilier. I feel like the loose powder is so much better for oily skin, and I wish I had known about it like years ago. I'm gonna be turning 26 in a month, which is just crazy because I feel like I just filmed my 25 things I learned in 25 years Get Ready With Me. Going in with my Naked Honey palette. This is such a great everyday palette. My friend Maggie actually bought it for me for my birthday last year, or no wait, Christmas last year. And I just use it all the time. I've already like almost hit pan on this light shade here. But I don't think I mentioned this. We're only going back to the office 3 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then we work from home Monday and Friday. I'm sorry, I feel like my chattiness is kind of all over the place because I'm trying to get ready like really fast. But I think that's like a really nice arrangement, and I think it still gives us a lot of flexibility. I definitely like the aspect of being able to sleep in on Monday morning and kind of ease back into the week. And I love the aspect of like Friday, like once you're done with work, you can just start the weekend. You don't have to worry about commuting home. I feel like Friday afternoon traffic is always the worst. But I know some people who have kids like don't like the fact that they gave us the days, because before the pandemic we were able to actually pick our own work from home days. Like I had Wednesday and Friday before the pandemic, and like I could see if you have a family and like you need to take your kid to soccer on Tuesday or dance on Thursday or whatever, like I could see you like wanting to have different days like that. But for me as like a person without a family, you know, I'm fine with those days, and I think they give us the best days personally. But let me know in the comments if you guys are going back to the office. If so, when are you going back, and are you doing a hybrid approach, or are you going back to the office like full time? This is another super amazing hack. Just use a little eyeliner brush and dip into a darker shade. I'm going to be using Sting, and line your eyes. I feel like this helps me so much. I really struggle with like creating straight lines on anything, and this like smaller brush allows me to be so much more precise. The one thing I really did like about work from home is that it allowed me to like not get ready And I was able to, I think, get my hair so much healthier, my skin so much healthier, because really for the majority of work from home, I did not wear a lot of makeup or really do my hair. I'm gonna be using my MAC Velvet Luxe eyebrow pencil. This is the best eyebrow pencil, hands down. But I feel like it's gonna be such an adjustment, like learning how to like pack your lunch again, wake up earlier, just like be out of the house for so much of the day. I feel like it's gonna feel like really exhausting at first. But I am really excited to wear some cute work outfits. I really miss that, like getting to be fashionable for work, because I pretty much was wearing hoodies or like oversized sweaters and leggings all winter, and then just like shorts and a t-shirt every day in the summer. I feel like I desperately need an eyebrow wax, but I've been like just plucking and like dermaplaning my own eyebrows. I don't think that's the right word, but like shaving them sort of for like the last 2 years. And I'm so afraid to go get an eyebrow wax. I think eyebrow waxes are so painful, and I would literally never get a wax anywhere else. Like, I do not know how people do the Brazilian, like, God bless. Adding some color to the cheeks with the Charlotte Tilbury Chic to Chic blush. I've had this for like a year and I use it like almost every day, and I haven't even made a dent in it. This is a really nice blush if you've got fair skin like me, because it doesn't look like too much. I'm gonna line my lips with the KKW lip liner. This is a great dupe, I think, for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It's really creamy and it really matches my Pillow Talk lipstick. I've been trying out a new mascara, the Monsieur Big by Lancome. I don't love it. It's not wet enough for me. It is really nice because it doesn't clump, but I feel like I have to do like a million coats for it to like darken up my eyelashes. I do want to get back into vlogging my work week whenever I head back to the office. I feel like people really enjoy those videos. They're some of the highest viewed videos on my channel, but it's so hard to vlog at home. Like, I don't do anything interesting. At least like driving into the city, I can get like montage of the city. Or like if I know like we're going out to lunch, I can like get a cool montage of that. But like being at home, like there's not many cool montages. I feel like it's just showing myself going to Starbucks every day. Using my Clinique mascara for the bottom lashes. It's definitely not perfect, but it's as good as we're gonna get. Speaking of Charlotte, I feel some Pillow Talk lipstick in the moons for today. Does this mirror make me look like Tati Westbrook yet? Look how dark this shade looks on me, and I feel like on everyone else it looks so like neutral looking. Hashtag fair skin probs. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten my hair a little bit. I basically have to do my hair. My hair is just this kind of like wavy, poofy natural texture, so I basically either have to curl it or straighten it. Pretty much have to wash my hair every day too. My hair is like a grease bomb. My hair looks the best whenever I like freshly wash it. And I know you're not supposed to wash your hair every day, but my hairdresser said my hair is really healthy, so I don't know. I think everybody just, you know, has different hair types and different skin types and textures, and you just gotta do what works for you. It's like, I hate whenever YouTubers are like so exclusive or like so like do what I say and like nothing else will work, and like just listen to what I do because it's the best. And it's like, no, you have to do what works for you. No idea how long this is because I kept pausing it to check my email, but here is the final look. Just pretty simple makeup, just kind of a natural, neutral look for work from home. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.